Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sharina Awori, and in this video I'm going to be showing you steps on how you can adjust your status. I came to the United States on a K1 fiancé visa and we got married within the 90 days. So if you literally entered in the United States on a K1, you are required to get married to your fiancé within 90 days so that you qualify to adjust your status. But in case that doesn't happen, I think you have to talk to a lawyer or seek legal help, literally getting a lawyer. So I'm not an immigration lawyer or I work with the USCIS, nothing. I did this personally, and before we forwarding our packet, I wanted to talk about this and show you how the process goes. So if you entered the United States on a K1 fiancé visa and got married within the 90 days, you qualify for an AOS, adjustment of status, so that you become a legal resident in the United States. That means you get to have your green card, not citizenship yet, but you get to have your green card. So most people apply for a social security number when they've just entered the United States on their K1s, but I did not do that. I filed all that in my packet. I just filed for the social security number, employment authorization, and adjustment of status forms. So I'll be breaking down everything for you so that you can easily understand. If I get more time, I will show you how to get certain documents that were kind of complicated for me, like the Form I-194, something to do with your entry and exit in the United States, and finding a civil surgeon. There are so many things that are involved in adjusting your status. It's not only filing for the AOS, but it goes along with so many other documents that you may or may not need. So as of January 22nd, 2025, USCIS waived the requirement of showing your COVID-19 vaccination card record. So you are good to go starting January 22nd, 2025. So I qualify for that, but I already had my vaccination record. So step number one, you need to file for your Form I-485. It is the major form for adjustment of status. Let me get you the form. This is how mine looks like. I got the green notes so that I make the work of the person working on my case easier. This is how I'm well aligning everything. This is a cover letter. You can have it or not. The cover letter, you can just Google out and check on samples of cover letters, but mine just has my name and my address and my phone number in the US. Then it has the USCIS Phoenix lockbox. That's where I'm going to be sending my packet. Then it has the evidence that is attached, which is the pay slip, 2 passport photos, Form I-485 adjust status, Form G-1145 to get the notifications, passport bio page, birth certificate, evidence of inspection Form I-94, visa and immigration stamp, marriage certificate, Form DS-3025 vaccination documentation, and Form I-693 report of medical exam, Form I-797 notice of. So this is how the whole packet looks like all together. For a report of vaccination and immigration record, because I want to protect my name, okay, this is how it looks like, and this is how big it is. We went to the clinic to get a civil surgeon. I will link a video for how you can look for a civil surgeon, and they gave me this, which shows do not open. It's for strictly USCIS. And I will just attach this with the adjustment of status. So our first step was filing for adjustment of status. Second, providing all required documentation. The third stage will be attending biometrics, and that will be according to what the USCIS, according to when the USCIS wants you to view. The next step would be interview and approval. For some, they're called for interviews. Other people are never called for the interviews. So just be ready. There is nothing much to think about. It's you and your husband. So there's no rocket science, okay? So the important things to note during this entire situation, number one, get married within the 90 days, because when they tell you to get married within the 90 days, they mean it. You've been doing this entire process to get married once you enter the United States. So just get married so that. Number two, apply for your adjustment of status, because you need to become a legal resident, get to work, get to do these things in the US, and you don't want to be an illegal immigrant. So just apply for the AOS. Number three, employment and travel. For those who are interested in working as you wait for your green card, you can apply for employment authorization. And those who want to travel, before you get your green card, you can apply for a travel document. You have all these forms again on the USCIS webpage, and you have to pay for all these different things that you are applying for. For example, for the adjustment of status, that's about 1,440 USD, if I'm not mistaken. Then for employment authorization, it's about 260 USD. But if you are applying separately for the employment, it's about 520 USD. If I got the numbers wrongly, excuse me, but the thing is you have to pay for all this. Yeah, so that's it from today's video. Thank you so much for always checking out on my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bells, get notified once I upload a video. So these are my 4 passport photos I'll need, and the number one document is affidavit of support. That is form I-864 that I've attached. Form I-765, which is the employment authorization. You can see I have my, first of all, this is my address, then the address where I'm sending my paperwork, and then the evidence attached. So this is the copy of a cover letter, payment slip, 2 passport photos, employment authorization, G1145, passport bio page, birth certificate, evidence of inspection, visa and immigration stamp, notice of action. I-485 still, my cover letter has my name and the logbooks and the evidence. This is the report of immigration, medical examination and vaccination record, form I-693, which goes straight to the USCIS. This is what the doctor gave me. Do not open. And lastly, at the back of your passport photos, please write your name and alien number. Don't forget that.